Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make or edit or customize a profile picture in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, search it to Google. Then click on Canva and log into your Canva profile by putting your email and password. Okay. So after logging in, you will find here a search bar. Click here, Facebook profile picture, and press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many profile picture templates. Okay, this is all Facebook profile picture templates. All you have to just click one and start customizing by yourself. So let's choose one. Let's choose this one. If you want to customize this template, click on customize this template. Now you can see the work here. You can edit every portion you want. I'm going to show you how. Just if you want to click, if you want to change this picture and add your picture here, just click it and press backspace from your keyboard. It will be removed. Then go to uploads, go to upload files and upload a file from your computer. And after uploading, this will be here like this, and you have to choose one and drag it. It will be automatically adjusted with the frame. Okay, so I'm showing you for the basic tutorial. Just do it with your own creativity. If you see this thing, you want to change the background color, like you don't like this color, just go to background color. Then you can see many colors here. Just choose one. Okay, again, if you don't like this thing, just click and press backspace. It will be removed like this. It will be removed, removing things. And if you want to add any elements here, like you want to add a gun here, I'm just showing you for the basic tutorial. Do it your own creativity. Here's the gun. Sorry, hey, that was before. You have to write here first gun, press enter from a keyboard. You'll find many guns here. Just click one and press it. Okay, adjust it where you want to. Okay, if you want to add any text in your picture, go to text and you can select any text you want, resize it and drag it in your position. Okay guys, so now I'm showing you the second thing. This is the first one. I'm showing you another. This one for the same. Go to customize, and if you want to add any picture here, click here and remove it by clicking on backspace. It will be removed. And if you want to add your picture, just you have to upload it first from your computer by clicking on uploads and from your computer, and it will be uploaded here first. Then you have to adjust it here. Or if you want to add a custom picture, go to element, like you want to add a red car picture, red car, and click enter. You will find many cars here. Just click one and adjust it to the picture. It will be automatically adjusted. Okay guys, so basically this is how you can start and customize your Facebook profile picture. So now how you can download it. Go to share button, back up, down scroll, and you will find download. Click on download. This will be downloaded with your system. So if you want to share with someone, now if you want to share with someone, just write here the email address @gmail.com and click on send button. After clicking on send, your work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so basically this is how you can make a Facebook profile in Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.